Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of eBay online shopping and selling app. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about eBay and you will click here. In this page of app info you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your